Take one.
Rolling.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to a show about food. I'm Mike Rao, hanging out in Casa de Ma, kicking it with some friends. Today, it is time for the main event. We're actually just watching UFC, so it's time for the main event. Israel Adesanya versus Yoel Romero, but before that, I'm gonna fix us up some delicious eats. This is gonna be super simple, super quick, and super healthy. We've got some broccoli, chopped up the florets. I'm gonna oil these guys and salt them. I'm using a kosher salt here because the salt is actually saltier despite being less salty. Let me rephrase that. Let me rephrase that.
But if a salt loses its saltiness, can it make...
Yes! Koshering salt allows for more saltiness while being less salty. That again, I said the same thing. Use kosher salt. The broccoli goes into the oven. It's preheated at 500 degrees. This is gonna stay in here for about half an hour. I'm gonna keep an eye on it because I want it to be nice and brown. I want the Maillard effect to be in full effect.
Maillard.
Maillard. Alright, here we go. It's going in. It's going in. It is time. The main event. Alright, while that guy's going, a little bit of oil into a pot. That's a little bit. Jalapeno peppers and garlic. Touch of salt. I'm gonna get the oil to start sizzling and then reduce the heat. I just want the oil to be infused by the garlic and the peppers and to soften them up. I don't want them to burn. I don't want them to caramelize too much. In about 30 minutes, the broccoli will be done. This will just be drizzled on top as a garnish, and I'll season it with a little bit more salt if it needs, and I'll be ready to go. See you guys in a bit.
Yes.
Yeah.
Cut.
Cut. It's been about half an hour, and the broccoli is ready to roll. So I'm going to pull it from the oven. Bring it in. Can you hear that?
Sounds amazing.
Ow, that's really hot.
Is this the secret to Yoel Romero's strength?
This is the secret to Yoel Romero's strength. I call them brockaroids. So right now I am just drizzling a little bit of this chili garlic oil and the aforementioned chili garlic into the roasted broccoli. People don't realize that broccoli can taste freaking delicious. All those bitter notes go away if you aggressively roast them at high heat. The sulfurous bitter notes are really present when you boil them or cook them low and slow for long periods of time. But high heat turns those very same compounds that taste unpleasant into really sweet, nutty notes present in things like roasted Brussels sprouts. All right, guys, dig in. This is my Kim comedy. Wow. Wow.
Dude.
Wow. Is this
famous.
too hot, dude?
In 20 years when you're watching this guy on Netflix, remember this moment.
I'm a big man?
Okay. Wow. Wow. It's
actually really good.
Yeah.
It's really good, yeah.
Yeah.
It makes sense what you said about the bitter notes.
Ow.
It's like
That's crazy.
I love broccoli.
char and nutty.
Hello.
And this is super healthy, you know?
Super healthy.
Nope. There's nothing to it.
Dude, that's good.
See you next time. Like, subscribe. I'll make more delicious things. See you later.
Yeah.
Daniel Ma. Daniel Ma. Let's look.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
See you next.
Okay, Marshall Club. There you go. Thank you.